Have you seen those viral ads for the Wuffy Robot Puppy promising a lifelike AI pet that walks, barks, and reacts to touch, and wondered if it's actually real or just another online gimmick? I decided to investigate getwuffy.com closely, and the results were mixed at best. On the surface, the website looks polished and full of glowing 5-star reviews praising how real and adorable Wuffy is. But when you look deeper, these reviews feel repetitive and overly perfect, with no photos or verified buyer tags to support them. Independent feedback tells a different story, especially on Trustpilot, where Wuffy currently sits at a low 2.3-star rating, with many customers reporting that what arrived at their door wasn't a robotic puppy at all, but a basic, plush toy with no moving parts or AI features. Even more concerning, buyers who tried requesting refunds claim they were met with automated replies offering partial discounts, instead of proper return instructions or real customer support. Domain records show that getwuffy.com was only created in September 2025, which is extremely new for a company claiming to sell an advanced consumer robotics product. And the listed business address seems to be reused across multiple unrelated websites, raising credibility questions. There's also zero transparency about who runs the brand, no founder names, no development team, and no manufacturing details anywhere on the site. To be fair, some customers do report receiving a basic interactive toy capable of simple sounds, which could explain a portion of the positive feedback, but it's clearly not matching the high-tech, AI-powered robot puppies shown in the advertisements. Overall, the investigation suggests Wuffy sits in a gray area, not a total scam in the sense that something does ship, but also not the premium robotic companion being marketed. If you're considering buying, go in with extremely low expectations and be cautious with refund policies, because the product buyers described doesn't seem to live up to the viral hype at all.